What's up, guys? We got the crew. We're shredding. There's like 3 feet of powder. See? Did I not tell you? I don't have to do anything cool today. I got these guys. Yeah. When they don't give you a park, build your own park. Good job, Kenny.
Hey, I'm a bull jam. Cannon.
What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Echo Mountain. I've never been here. It's the closest ski resort to Denver, but I always wanted to come to Echo because it used to be like almost a terrain park only ski resort. That's not the case now. I see their park, but I heard it was closed, which is a bummer. I think they probably closed it for night riding because we're here for a night riding session. I flew in from San Antonio, Texas today. I do want to drop my wife and my son off in Texas with Grandpa. So now I got a week in Colorado by myself. We might do a 2-day trip to Jackson, but I'm really excited for all the work I can get done without the family. And I was like, dude, full advantage of it. We're hitting Echo on the way back up because I know it's like by Idaho Springs and everything. So I'm stoked. The snow looks great. Colorado, good job. And let's start ripping. With me on today's adventure, by the way, is Kenny. Hello. Which we're on his GoPro 9 because Benton, who we're also with, forgot the GoPro Max. We get yelled at. Dude, the snow here is insane. The tree riding is actually incredible at this resort. Super open. So right now we don't know what we're gonna ride because the park is closed, other than the trees and the POW and the sick stuff. But it's gonna take a couple laps through to find all the hits. Like these guys got to hit that like battleship log thing. I don't know, it was sick though. And yeah, as we keep finding things like that, we'll keep hitting them. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm taking it kind of mellow because I have destroyed this knee for some reason. I don't know what I did to it. It's running at like 40% though. It hurts, doesn't feel good. I'm not trying to take any huge impacts. Not trying to spray and do anything weird with my knee. I'm just trying to like survive because I don't need to go hard today. So I brought these yahoos. Yeah. Yahoo. So technically we're night riding in the trees because it's nighttime. Oh, well, we were night riding in the trees. Well,
our backflip just got a lot harder. Our front flips.
Front flip got a lot harder.
yeah, they were gonna front flip this drop. My bad. Dude, Echo got a ton of snow with that like crazy Colorado dump, and I think a lot of it's just been left around. But on the note of going into the trees at night and riding, be very careful. Rock low light lenses. By the way, if you need lenses, Kuno Optics, $70 goggles, link to the description. You can get highlight, low light, midlight lenses. They're super sick. They're my goggle sponsor. But rock a lower light goggle, so if you do go in them, you got like, you know what I'm saying, like what I see is what if I wasn't wearing goggles would look like. And so going in the trees is not that sketchy. How are your guys' highlights treating you?
It's hard to see, but
you
your goggles are sick.
Yeah.
Ready? I'm gonna put the lenses on you so you can see what I see. Ready?
On me or the camera? Oh, he used his hand. So you can see my eyes. You can't see their eyes. Dude, Kenny's front flips are nasty. Let's go, boys. See? Did I not tell you? I don't have to do anything cool today. I got these guys. I told you guys to let me find the spot.
Dude,
they're like poking out the tiniest little holes and they're like, fuck it, do it, maybe. And I'm like, guys, let me find it. You like that? Let's go. Alright guys, so the park is closed right now. They have two features. They have a battleship box and a rainbow box. Not much to play with in the first place, but it would have been sick to hit those. But since they don't have a park, we're gonna make our own park.
Yeah.
When they don't give you a park, build your own park.
I can't believe that worked.
Good job, Kenny.
Hey, I'm a bull jam. Cannon.
See, it takes three to tango. Good job, buddy.
that was, dude, Kenny,
That's crazy.
that was the coolest thing I've ever done in my life, dude.
Dude, you've done a lot of cool things.
I'm glad. No, that's okay.
So the choppy fresh pow is killing my knee.
Tree run.
It's getting super dark.
Holy crap.
So I didn't know that Echo did night riding till like a year ago. It's so funny, when I started the channel, I was just a dude that snowboarded in Summit County and I didn't really know much about snowboarding. But now that I'm traveling everywhere, trying to ride every resort in the United States, all this stuff, it's super dark. Yeah, I learned things like Steamboat does night riding, Echo does night riding. So it's kind of cool that I'm learning more about Colorado and just snowboarding in general. But it's cool, you can come rip Echo night riding. It's actually pretty close to Denver and just a bunch like, I don't know, I'm just excited that I get to share new stuff with snowboarding with you guys that I've also learned for the first time. You know what else I get to share with you? Today, sticker shout out, we got Boo Dude Running, I think, with the camouflage Evolution sticker on the helmet, looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, snagging an Evolution sticker. And we also got Brandon Matthews with the Evolution hat on his head. Looking so sick, guys. Thank you so much for snagging stickers and the merch, supporting the dream. It's how I get to come to new ski resorts. It's how I do this for a living, guys. So thank you so much for snagging the Evolution merch. If you want an Evolution sticker or a hat or a t-shirt or hoodie, t-shirt, long sleeve, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag them, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And then if you do snag any of it, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear instructions. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Did I just say that? Follow my Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of fun, bonus, extra content. It's also where you know I'm ripping each day, things like that. So if you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out on bonus, extra content, and you also are missing out on a chance of finding me on the mountain and taking some turns with me. One of my favorite things to do is share where I'm riding, and then you guys are like, no way, Buckhouse is here. You come find me. We take some laps. It's super fun. So follow my Instagram for bonus content. All right. We made a park. These dudes sent it. We rode the trees at night, and it was sketchy.
At night.
And my knee is in a lot of pain. I really got to figure out what's going on with my knee, because I can't. It's just fatiguing on me. It's rough. So we're gonna call this one Chipmunk. I hope you guys like this video so far, and let's send it. So this is a cool little village. It's like super small, but they give it an appearance of being bigger with middle. They don't got the lights on, but no gift shop, so I can't get an evolution pin.
Evolution, Echo.
An Echo pin, not an evolution pin. Because I get a pin at all the new ski resorts I go to. I'm sure I can find one online because Echo's been around for a long time. I don't know how long, but it's been around for a long time. If you know how long Echo's been around, comment down below. But if you want to get a pin, I do have an evolution pin that's linked in the description. Also, I just saw this. That's Pearl Wax. That's my wax sponsor. I get you 20% off of any snowboard wax, a wax iron kit if you don't know how to wax your gear, anything like that. In the description, it's pearlwax.com. Code BUCK20 will save you 20% off any wax that you buy. So go get some wax from Pearl Wax, especially spring season. It's about to get super slushy in Colorado. You're gonna want that yellow wax. You're gonna want that yellow wax, trust me.
I actually need some wax.
Yeah, pearlwax.com, 20% off.
Thanks for ripping today.
Dude, thanks for throwing a front flip, making the video fun. Thinking about this though, I'm gonna end the video right here because of the light. Oh, Kenny just mentioned it. So Kenny's the guy that made the map of the United States with all of the places that we've ridden, and now we can knock Echo off, turn that guy green. The best part about the map is you can look at the map, highlight where we've gone, watch the videos from that area so you can see if I've snowboarded at your ski resort, if I need to go snowboard at your ski resort still, because then you know you can meet up with me on the day that I'm going there and say what up. It's super cool. Check out the resort map. It's in the description. Kenny made it. Check out Kenny's channel. Also Benton's channel's in the description, the homies. And yeah, super stoked on that. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Because it's every day, dude. We post a video every single day. I'm a big liar. They sell them at the ticket window. Got the Echo pin. Let's go.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Jonathan, what's your favorite color?
The color that brightens my day.